KitRitual is a completely modular system, and it gives an artist an option of how many wells they want and how much product they want to take with them, and also leave some behind and actually customize their palette per project. So for example, if you're doing all nudes, you are going to take your nude wells and put them in and take them with you, which eliminates the need for all of your things to go and break your back. And we know this in the New York City, it's quite a task. We made these wells rounded so you can much more easier scoop up the product and clean it completely without any residue, so you can reuse it over and over again. And you basically just snap them in, and they're very tight, and when you want to exchange or move or do anything, we have created a little opening right here for the spatula to go in. You press it in and pop it, and the well will pop right out, but you can also use your nails or, you know, whatever is easier for you. And then you close it. Oh, and the reason why we chose not to do a clamshell, which is perfectly fine, but for me, I don't like when I open my products and it just overtakes my table. So this allows you to actually pop this into your lid and just line it up on your table without taking